Form validation. Today we're going to be talking about validating an HTML form on both the client side and the server side. Now there may be various reasons why you want to validate on both sides, and we'll discuss them during the video. I think my aim for this tutorial is going to be to get the markup written in the first lesson, then in the second one I'll do the JavaScript to handle the client-side validation, and in the third lesson we'll do the PHP script to handle the server-side validation. First of all, what you'll need is we'll need some server-side software. So I'm using XAMPP. If you Google XAMPP, there'll be various download links. I'm downloading it from the apachefriends.org website. You'll need a text editor. I'm using Notepad as my text editor. If you Google Notepad++, you should get various download links for it. And I'm using Bootstrap from the getbootstrap.com website and in the Getting Started section. And I'll just reload this form page so it's blank. Okay, so let's begin. Over in our text editor, we've created a file called form.php and start writing this. So dot type first of all, dot type is obviously going to be HTML. We're using hypertext markup language. So we'll start with an HTML tag. We'll do a closing HTML tag. We'll obviously have a head section to handle things like the page title and the CSS. We'll close that. We'll have a body section obviously for the main content of the page. And so let's start the head section. So we'll put a title, page title in, and we'll call this title form. We'll also put in this head section the latest minified Bootstrap CSS. So if I just go over to Get Bootstrap, and I'll take the latest minified version, and I'll paste that here, and let's move that along. So that's the head section written, so let's start on the body section. So the first thing we're going to do in the body section is a bootstrap division, container division. So div class equals container. Then obviously you need to close that division. And inside here we'll give our form a title. So if we do h1 and closing h1, and we'll call our form with a page title, and then we'll start our form using the form tag. And the first attribute that we'll put inside our form tag is id equal to form, and we'll give it a name equal to form. Maybe not so much a name. We'll give it an ID certainly. And we'll use the method post. There's only really two methods for HTML forms. There's post and there's get. Post is a more secure method, which is why we're using post. I know that there's many people have different opinions on what you should use, but I prefer to use post. If you want to understand the differences between post and get, you can Google it. There are various differences, but there's just not enough time in this video to discuss them all. We'll say the action is equal to this page, form.php, because we're going to submit to the same page. And we have to access JavaScript at some point as well to do the client-side validation. So we'll do onSubmit equals return a JavaScript function called validate. And obviously I'll define that function when we come to write the JavaScript. And I believe that's it for the form. So then we'll do the closing form tag, and then we need to put our input fields. So our first input field is going to be name, and we're going to say input, and it's going to be type text. Obviously when you input a name, do it as text. We're going to give it a name equal to name. We're going to give an ID equal to name. I'm going to give it a value which is blank to begin with, and then I'm going to give it a bootstrap class just to make it look a little bit cleaner. So give it a bootstrap class form control, and then this is a self-closing tag, so we'll do that. And we'll also add new line break, and that's our first input field done, but we're going to have 3 input fields, so we'll copy this one twice more. And then the next input field is going to be email, and it's going to have the name email, it's going to have the ID email, and that's fine. And then the last but not least, age, and that's going to have the name age ID, it's going to have the ID age. Okay, so that's looking good. So the last thing that we need to add to our form is a submit button to submit the form. So we will do an input, but this time the type is equal to submit, and the name is equal to submit, and the class is equal to bootstrap default button, so button dot button hyphen default, and then it's a self-closing tag, so that goes there. And then we just need to add a division to handle our form errors, so division ID equals errors, and then let's close that division, and that should be the markup written. So let's try and load the page just to make sure. If I reload this form.php, we get our form heading, we get our first input field name, second input field email, third input field age, and our submit button. So that's the markup written. So what we'll do in the next video is I will write the JavaScript to handle the client-side validation, and then in the third video I'll write the PHP to handle the server-side validation. Okay, thanks for watching.